Want to add your business to Google Maps? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Maps app. If you don't have this, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now go ahead and select the location where you have your business. Then tap on that. Now you will find the option of Add Business to Maps for free. Select that. Now you will have to enter your business name. Then enter your business category. Then tap on Next. Here it's going to ask you, do you want to add a location customers can visit? Tap Yes, then tap Next. Now you will have to enter your business address. Go ahead and select your country or region first. Then enter your street address, city, state, and zip code. Now tap Next. Now it's going to ask you where you are located. In the map, you simply want to select your position and then tap Next. Now it's going to ask you to enter your contact details. So go ahead and enter your phone number, then enter your website. Now it's going to ask you to verify. Enter your phone number for that. Now enter your business hours. Then add in a business description. If you want, add photos of your business. Now, once your details have been verified, your business is going to appear on Google Maps. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.